हेलो फ्रेंड्स। यूपीएससी आईएफएस का नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज हो गया है। द इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस एग्जाम 2024 यूपीएससी आईएफएस notification has been made available on the official website. The UPSC Forest Service exam application runs from 14th February to 5th of March 2024. जिसका नोटिफिकेशन है द यूपीएससी IFS notification 2024 was made public by the Union Public Service Commission February 14th 2024 for 150 vacancies. The application form can be found on the official website upsc.gov.in for those who wish to apply for the Indian Forest Service examination in 2024 on May 26, 2024. The UPSC IFS prelims written exam will take place. The notification states that on March 5th, 2024, the registration opportunity will close. In order to prevent any last time issue like a server outage or a website crash, those who are interested in applying for the exam should do so as soon as possible rather than waiting until the last minute. When applying for the Indian Forest Service examination, candidates should be informed that they will need to pass the civil services examination in order to move on to the second phase of the exam, which consists of an interview and written test. Right? UPSC IFS Application Form. Ensure accurate and complete details, including educational qualification and relevant documents. The application process involves payment of the examination fee, and candidates should follow the guidelines provided in the form. Right? The online application form opens on February 14th, 2024, and the Indian Forest Service examination 2024 notification is released on the same day. The same application deadline for UPSC IFOS 2024 is March 5th, 2024. The written UPSC IFS prelims test is scheduled for May 26. UPSC IFS vacancy. There will be two stages of the UPSC IFS 2024 examination. The Civil Services Preliminary Test, which will be used to select candidates for the mains, and the IFS mains exam, which will consist of both written and interview questions. The Indian Forest Service is looking to fill a total of 125 positions, and the exam will be held to fill the position. Eligibility criteria. UPSC IFS post eligibility criteria. The examination authority has made the eligibility requirements and a limit public. Candidates can see the official notification for additional information if they are interested. Educational qualification. A bachelor's degree at least one of the following subjects required for candidate: botany, chemistry, geology, mathematics, physics, statistics, animal husbandry, and veterinary science, or any equivalent degree from an accredited university in agriculture, forestry, or engineering. Right? It is recommended that you are review the notification link to learn more about the position's educational requirements. Age limit. On 1st August 2024, the candidate must not have been older than 21-year-old or older than 32-year-old. Right? Selection process. The preliminary examination consists of objective type paper in general studies and aptitude. The main examination evaluates candidates in subjects related to forestry and environmental science. The following steps are part of the selection procedure for the Indian Forest Service Examination 2024. First, prelims written exam. Second, mains written exam. Third, interview. Fourth, document verification. Fifth, medical examination. Right? IFS application fees. For the civil services examination, candidates must pay a fee of 100 rupees with the exception of female SC, ST, PWD candidates who are exempt for paying the fee. They can pay the fee in cash at any SBI branch, or they can use the State Bank of India's net banking facility, Visa, Master, Rupee, credit या debit card, UPI payment or internet banking from any bank. Thank you.